para sa mga susunod na laro?
Yes, number one, yung mga siguro yung play namin in terms of our assist, the ball movement, kasi maganda yung ball movement namin for this game. Especially we have 27 assists na which is sana makapitalize namin for our next games, especially this coming Wednesday against Rain or Shine. Then plus siyempre, since kulang nga kami sa size, but still maganda naman yung mga binibigay ng mga off the bench big man namin like Sydney Onodere, Will Navarro, plus even Agot Rather. Positive naman sila sa game na to. So at least this time nabibigyan sila ng opportunity to play. Kasi last conference sabi nga ni Coach Bon, is back to zero dahil wala kaming import, wala kaming Kadim Jack ngayon. But still, yun lang, tulong-tulong lang kami in terms of mga little things like yung rebounding, yung assist department. Ma-continue lang namin na maging maganda yung those department na makuha natin.
Thank you, Coach Renzi. Now on to you, Arvin. Fresh from being hailed as best player of last conference and now back in the game. There is a big X on your back offensively, of course, to stop your shooting. Pero ngayon, sabi nga ni Coach Renzi, ang dami mga bang aspects of your team na pinagtrabahuan. Kita-kita rin natin yan sa iyong assists. Now, with this being your first game of the conference, ano ba yung ginusto mo talagang dalhin sa table for Northport, knowing that yung scoring, it's not something that you should rely on dahil mas malaking X sa inyo?
First of all, I want to greet my dear daughter. Happy birthday, my dear daughter Yana. Happy birthday, baby. I miss you. And then, there's an X on my back. Kasi, diba? Whenever a player wins an award, diba? Talagang meron ng and yun yung isa sa wino-work ko, especially in practice, in sharing the ball, making sure maganda yung read ko sa defense, and I can't rely on my scoring lang, di ba? Dahil I'm sure yung teams yun yung unang titingnan sa akin, so I have to really be better on moving the ball, reading the defense, di ba? And in this game, medyo maganda man naging result at 12 assists. So, and also not just my not just on passing. We as a team we had 27 assists, so that's good. That's also one thing na wino-work namin, sharing the ball.
Thank you, Arvin. We now open the floor to the media.
RB, congratulations. RB,
thank you, sir.
Coming out kayo semifinals, BPC na, is there still something to prove na yung mga magandang nangyari last conference, is not a fluke na pwede mo yung mahulit yun?
I believe there's always room for improvement. Kahit ano pa yung ma-achieve mo, there's always room for improvement, diba? And last conference na we made the semi-finals. So that's a big boost on our confidence in coming into this All-Filipino, Philippine Cup. And that made us believe na kaya namin magpag-compete against the best of the best, reaching the semi-final. Although we lost to Ginebra, that's a good achievement for us. And yeah, hopefully ma-carry namin yung confidence na yun, yung the way we played last conference, yung sharing the ball, sana, and this is a good start for us, and sana magtuloy-tuloy.
Arvin, knowing this is the Filipino, walang import, would that be sweeter if maulit nyo yun? Considering it's the Filipino tournament.
I believe yun talaga mas, I can't say mas sweet, pero pag naulit din namin, without an import, di ba? great achievement na yan. That's very good for us. And sana. But right now, we're focusing on getting into the playoffs first. We can't really think about reaching the finals or malagpasan agad namin yung narating namin last conference. So right now we're focusing game by game, di ba? Get most win, as much win as we can, and reaching the playoffs first, reaching the quarterfinals, and then from there, di ba, we switch the focus on reaching the semifinals, and then hopefully na finals.
Coach, medyo lumit kayo with the trade of JM.
Yes.
Pero what does brings to the table para sa
ano naman namin yun since na-trade niya si JM, so kahit naman na dito pa si JM, where talagang medyo maliit rin talaga yung lineup namin, but still ang mini-impose lang talaga namin, especially with Coach Bonnie, is yung strength namin to yun nga, number one is to be a transition offensive team kami, na which is from the last conference, yun yung na gusto namin ma-achieve, na which is na kumbaga na-achieve namin. Sana ma-duplicate lang namin this coming conference, kasi hindi kami pwede mag-rely sa mga mostly on our sets, kasi nga we're a small team. So kung pwede kami tumakbo ng tumakbo, at the same time, malesen namin yung turnovers namin, kasi for this game, we have 21 turnovers.
Yeah.
So medyo hindi maganda, although acceptable, parang kasi medyo matagal yung wala kaming game. Then plus, ito yung first game namin for this conference. Yun yung siguro malesen namin yung mga turnovers, plus makakuha ng transition offense, na which is magsisimula doon sa depensa namin, na which is maganda yung pinakita ng depensa namin for this game.
No more questions.